West Bengal, and the Chief Minister there has accused the BJP of trying to bring in NRC through the back door as she led that massive rally in Kolkata against the ill treatment and detention of Bengali-speaking migrants, particularly in BJP-ruled states, amid a drive to identify and remove Bangladeshi infiltrators. Let's listen in to Mamata Banerjee.
NRC নামে একটা নোটিফিকেশন জারি করেছে। আমি দেখলাম নোটিফিকেশনটা ফেব্রুয়ারি মাসে এই 25 সালে ইলেকশনের এক বছর আগে যে যাকেই সন্দেহ হবে জেলে গিয়ে 1 মাস রেখে দিতে পারো, বিনা বিচারে 1 মাস রেখে দেবেন? তার মানে হোয়াট ইজ দিস? এটা মোর দ্যান এমার্জেন্সি। ইন্দিরা গান্ধীকে গালাগালি দিয়ে সুপার এমার্জেন্সি ডে পালন করলেন। তাহলে আপনারা কি করছেন? It is more than emergency and illegal detention.
Shreyaji joining us to get us the very latest. Shreyaji, drenched in rain, Mamata Banerjee carrying out that protest march. This 2-kilometer protest march that is going to continue for about half an hour's time till about 4 o'clock. This is a battle to defend Bengali honor, is what Mamata Banerjee said. And if somebody calls a Bengali a Bangladeshi, we will not take it lying down. But she's also, hit out at the BJP for saying, the BJP is trying to introduce NRC through the back door.
Well, if we go back to the Lok Sabha 2024 elections, she had called the BJP outsiders here in West Bengal, and that seems to be again another poll pitch, this time by calling BJP anti-Bengali. This with the help of the migrant workers issue. The Trinamool Congress has armed itself against the Modi government's high-pitched political battle here in West Bengal ahead of the next year's assembly election. Now, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee today, while taking out this rally with all her leaders, cabinet ministers, keeping Abhishek Banerjee by her side, sending out a political message not just to her opponents but also to the people of West Bengal, reiterating that the Bengali migrants are being impacted in BJP-ruled states as they are reportedly being tortured, harassed and also being put into detention camps because they speak Bengali. So Bengali language is what Mamata Banerjee is saying is differentiating between those who are in these detention camps and those who are not being profiled. The Chief Minister once again revoking the Bengali Ashmita, the Bengali pride through this protest rally. And because it's a working day today, despite the rain, the Chief Minister taking out that rally sends out strong visuals, not just here in West Bengal, but across the nation, where they are watching the Chief Minister walk down this road, reiterating her stand that she is the protector of the Bengali community and the BJP is anti-Bengali, trying to drive a point home that politically, if it comes to West Bengal, it is only the Trinamool Congress that understands the Bengali mindset, and when it comes to the people of Bengal, it is the Trinamool Congress that is out on the streets helping those migrant workers as well. In the coming days, this fight between the centre and the state over migrant workers likely to escalate with the Prime Minister's rally later this week. Back to you.